In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a vertical video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you're looking to optimize your videos for platforms like Instagram or TikTok, where vertical content is king, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the process and get your video ready in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up Adobe Premiere Pro and get your project ready. Once you've got your project open, navigate to the top bar of the interface. You'll find a variety of options here, but what you want to do is click on Sequence. This is a crucial step because it leads us to the settings we need to tweak to achieve the vertical format. After that, select Sequence Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, this is where we'll make the magic happen. You'll see various parameters related to your video, and this is the point where we'll configure the frame size to suit a vertical orientation. Typically, your project might be set to a horizontal format by default. What you want to do here is swap the frame size values to ensure the video is now oriented vertically. Specifically, you'll change the horizontal value to 1080 and the vertical value to 1920. By doing this, you're essentially flipping the orientation from landscape to portrait, which is perfect for mobile viewing. Once you've adjusted these values, go ahead and click OK. This confirms the changes you've made and applies them to your current sequence. It might seem minor, but hitting OK solidifies all those important adjustments. After setting the frame size, the next thing you'll want to tackle is the scale of your video. Depending on the original orientation and size of your footage, you might need to adjust the scale to ensure it fits perfectly within the new dimensions. You'll find the scaling options under the Effect Controls panel. Here, simply scale the video to your desired size, which helps maintain the quality and ensures no parts are awkwardly cropped out of the frame. And just like that, you've successfully transformed your horizontal video into a sleek vertical video ready for sharing. Wasn't that quick and easy? These straightforward steps can help you professionalize your social media content, making it more engaging and visually appealing for your audience when viewed on mobile devices. Feel free to experiment with different settings and scales until you find something that works best for your specific video content. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to start creating amazing vertical videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more video making tips and tutorials. Happy editing!